Okay, we are asked here to predict the effect of increasing the temperature on the amounts of the products in the following reaction. Okay, focus tayo sa product. The first is carbon dioxide, monoxide gas plus hydrogen gas produces CH3OH gas. All this is what? Methanol gas. Okay, carbon monoxide plus hydrogen produce methanol. And in this case, we are given that delta H of the reaction is negative. Ibig sabihin nito, the reaction is exothermic. Exo meaning nagpo-produce ng heat. Or we could just like put it this way that heat is part of the product. Okay? Heat is part of the product. Okay, now, equilibrium has been established, meaning meron kang na-form na sa H3OH, pero meron ka pa rin natirang CO at H. And they are in equilibrium. Balance na sila. Okay, meaning, okay, naka-attain ka na equilibrium. This is what will happen. Pag nag-increase yung temp mo, siguro nag-add ka ng heat. Siguro, if you have a vessel like this, maybe nag-ano ka ng heater, no? Or nag-ano ka ng flame. So, uminit yung system mo. So, nag-increase yung temp. So, what do you think will the system do? Kasi nag-add ka ng heat niyan, kasi para ma-increase mo yung temp, siguro nag-add ka ng heat. Yung gagawin ng system mo, try to what? Minimize the addition of the heat. Kasi may external force na may heat na pumasok sa system, yung gagawin niya, well, paano ba mapababa yung temperature, okay? Kasi nga, nag-increase yung temp, system will say, okay, let's try to help decreasing the temperature kasi na-increase siya. Gagawin natin, let's try to make a reaction na magkukonsume ng heat. In that case, ano ba yun? Magkukonsume yung heat. Pag forward yung reaction mo, makakaproduce ka ng heat. Pag backward, heat, reactant na yon. So, pag backward yung reaction mo, makakaproduce ka ng neto, mawawala yung part ng heat na na-add. So, in that case, anong mangyari sa CH3OH? Part siya ng reactant ngayon. Kasi shift to the left, mangyari niyan sa letter A, the product will decrease. Meaning, magdi-decrease yung amount ng CH3OH mo kasi part siya ng reactant. Hindi naman kasi pwedeng heat lang yung i-react mo, makaka-form ka ng ganito. Hindi. The whole ng ano niyan, yun yung mawawala. Part nun mawawala, makaka-form ka ng ganito. So, meaning, product, in this case, the particular product is CH3OH. Yung CH3OH mo will decrease. Okay? Kasi, magre-react sila para ma-remove yung heat. Yung heat part kasi ng product. Okay, letter B. Okay, carbon, a solid carbon plus water, a gas, gaseous water or water vapor or steam, produces what? Carbon monoxide and, okay, hydrogen. And we are given here that delta H of reaction is 131. Meaning positive, meaning non endothermic. Ibig sabihin nun, yung reaction mo, mag-absorb ng heat. In this case, part ng ano mo is heat. Part ng reactant mo is heat. Okay? Heat plus carbon plus water, gaseous or steam, will produce this. So what do you think will happen? If you add more heat to your system, kasi okay, nilagyan mo siguro dyan ng flame or something, heater, electrical heater. Ang mangyari, kasi nag-try ka na i-increase yung temperature ng system mo, ang gagawin ng system is, well, dapat ma-remove natin yung inad niyang heat. So, how will the system consume that? Well, it will move forward, right? Kasi, pag nag-move forward siya, mag-absorb siya ng heat. Kasi heat part yun ng reactant, ma-convert niya into product. Okay? So, ang gagawin ng system mo, move forward. So, in that case, addition of, or increasing the temp, will actually mean more product that will be formed. So, more product will be formed. Mas maraming product ang ma-form mo. Kasi, try niyang i-consume yung ginawa mong changes. More product will be formed. Okay? Similarly, dito, endothermic, letter C, endothermic daw. Ibig sabihin nun, pag endothermic ka, yung heat mo is nasa reactant. It absorbs heat. So, yung ano mo, process mo, heat is part of the reactant. Kaya, pag ganun, more product will be formed then. Kasi para makonsume, Nag-increase kasi ng temp para ma-consume yung addition of heat para hindi na mag-increase yung temp. Ang gawin ng system mo, move forward. So in this case, forward, more product will be formed. Letter D, exothermic siya. Katulad din yan ng dito sa letter A, right? Kasi exothermic, ang gagawin ng system mo, oh no, exothermic na. So, ang gagawin niya is, para mawala yung addition ng, kasi para mawala yung, para kukonti yung, ano mo, yung increase ng temp, para ma-minimize yung increase ng temp, ang gagawin niya, move to the left. Kasi pag move to the left niya, mag-absorb yun ng heat kasi parang ganito yon, yung heat part ng product. So pag move to the left, magiging reactant na yung heat makakonsume sa to form So dito, the amount of product will decrease, product will increase, product here will actually increase, and this one product will decrease. Okay, I hope that we get something out of that. Thank you.